And then he stood there guard. He'd hop up there on the hook and then down. And the two babies got in there and took a bath.
Oh.
And he just stood and watched and guarded them. And it was so cool. Oh my God, it was so incredible to see.
Oh, he disappeared. I don't know if he went down or...
The chippy? No, he's still there.
Still there.
Yeah, they're little piggies. They'll stay there as long as there's food.
I just want to see his little cheeks get filled up. Now what's that one on the over the suet?
That's a black-capped chickadee. They're really pretty.
Oh, it's just so nice.
I used to put the bird feeders all hanging in the trees out here and not have them up here. But, and there's Mr. Cardinal up there. But you have to, then I started getting, I got to take them in every night and put them out every morning.
Damn, you are fast.
And the suet, I mean the dew on the grass, you get soaking wet in the morning putting all the bird feeders out. And then I got a little nervous because if you forget and it gets a little dark, I got to go out where it's dark and bring the bird feeders in. And then that damn dog across the street, who's black.